What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. I'm going to show you how to replace the ear cups on your Bang Olufsen Beoplay headphones. Alright, so these are the H9i's. I love these headphones. I used them a while here and a little dirty. But one of the things that happens is these ear cups kind of get worn out. As you can see, they're definitely showing some age here. So I've ordered a new set of ear cups right here, and these are just easy to install replacements. I hope they are. And what you can see is we have a left and right marked. I picked these up on Amazon. They were actually a little bit cheaper than buying them directly from Bang & Olufsen. So I want to show you how to put these on because it's super simple. So first of all, you've got a left and a right, and you want to make sure that you put them on the correct sides. And all you're going to do is take the ear cup here and turn it counterclockwise like that, and it's going to come right off. So I'm going to take the right one, and you can see the little slots that have to fit in the tabs, and you're going to want that R facing vertically. So I'm just going to kind of put it on here like this. I felt it fall into place there. I'm going to turn it. It's pretty tight, and then boom, it clicks in right there. Now I have a brand new ear pad installed, and the same thing on this side. Left comes off. I will take the left here, and the R and the L are always vertical, so that's how you can kind of figure out if these are in place or not. There we go, and tightened up. Boom, just like that. New ear cups installed. Much cheaper than buying a new set of headphones. Most ear cups are replaceable, so if you have worn out ear cups, feel free to pick these up. I'll put a link to these in the description. Peter Von Panda out.